Good morning, students. Today, Hi and Payal's Easy Commerce, we are doing is the types of derivative market and the players. पहला तो ये समझते हैं कि derivative क्या होता है. तो derivative market is a market where the financial derivatives are traded. Okay. तो पहला तो this is so a derivative is basically a financial security with a value that is reliant upon or derived from. मतलब इसका जो वैल्यू है वो या तो एसेट्स और अ ग्रुप ऑफ एसेट्स या बेंचमार्क के ऊपर निर्भर है. So this is a contract between two or more parties and the derivative derives its price from fluctuations. Okay, stocks है, bonds है, commodities है, currencies है, interest rates है, market indexes है. So derivatives can trade over the counter exchange or an exchange. OTC derives constitute a greater proportion of the derivative markets. OTC trades derivatives generally have a greater possibility of counterparty risk. So counterparty risk is a danger that one of the parties involved in the transactions might default. मतलब समटाइम्स वो ट्रेड नहीं दिया या उसने उतारा नहीं, कुछ ये गलत हो गया. So conversely, derivatives that are traded, that are exchange traded, are standardized and they are more heavily regulated. So when I'm talking about these derivatives, it's very important that this is something that is there on a future date. Are you understanding? It is not going to happen today, or it is not going to be based on things. It is what is going to happen is on a future date that is there. Okay. Now there are assets. So whatever it is, whatever is dependent, it is dependent on something like stocks hai, bonds hai, etc. Are you understanding? So let us see what is this over the counter exchange. So when I'm talking about this, this one over the counter exchange or an exchange, then what is this thing, entire thing about? So OTC is facilitates like they are private contracts that are traded between two parties without going through that exchanges or other intermediaries. They can be negotiated and customized to suit the exact risk and return suited to each party. A swapation is a type of over-the-counter exchange derivative because it is not traded through exchanges. A swapation means swap option. Okay, that is the option into an interest rate swap or some other type of swap. So there are two types of swaps that one can have in the counterparty. One is a payer swapation. The owner the right to enter into a specified swap where the owner pays the fixed rate and receives a floating rate. मतलब मैं दे रहा हूँ at a fixed rate, लेकिन I might get, though I'm giving it 8%, I might get 6% also, I might get 10 or 12% also. And a receiver swapation, this is from the point of view of the payer. And from the point of view of receiver, he gives the owner the right to enter into a swap in which he receives the fixed rate and pays the floating rate. तो जो receiver है वो fixed rate लेगा और owner को floating rate देगा. Are you understanding? And then I have is the exchange traded or standardized. So यहाँ पे ETDs differ from OTCs because derivatives in terms of their standard nature, higher liquidity, they are able to trade on the secondary market, मतलब buying and selling. And exchange traded, also make sure that these derivatives can be used to hedge on a financial, generally more of speculative. आज गोल्ड ये है, कल गोल्ड ये होएगा, आज ऐसा है, कल वैसा होएगा. They are studying trends and they're having of course their own intuition. So now in the types of derivative markets, I have a standardization, making it easy for the investor to determine how many contracts can be bought or sold. Each individual contract, is of a size that is not problem for the small investor. मतलब it could be 3 days, 7 days, 3 months, 1 month. Elimination of default risk. The derivatives, exchange itself acts as the counterpart for each transactions involving an exchange traded derivative. So this eliminates the risk of the counterparty to the derivative transaction. They may be default or something of that sort of. So this is known as, there is no default risk that is going to happen. उसके बाद I have is 1 minute. So this is the derivative. This is the type.
This is type.
Now we do is the
Exactly. What is the meaning of
participants.
floating?
Yes. Floating matlab based on the, it is not
Based
be
on the, it
fixed.
is not be fixed.
It could be
Okay.
It
up
could
or
be
it could be
up
down,
or it could be down.
you know.
Okay.
You know.
So I can
So
also
I
get the
can
advantage
also
of
get the
market.
advantage of market.